The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Vapor Canister Purge Valve is a high-quality replacement component designed specifically for your GM vehicle. As a GM recommended part, it ensures the proper control of fuel vapor flow from the vapor canister to the intake manifold, effectively maintaining emission standards. Engineered to meet GM's strict specifications for fit, form, and function, this part delivers the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from your original equipment. This vapor canister purge valve is crafted with precision, offering a reliable and efficient solution for maintaining optimal engine performance. If your vehicle has a stuck-open purge valve, replacing it with this genuine ACDelco part will restore smoother engine operation and help your vehicle run at its best. Top reviews from customers highlight its compatibility with vehicles like the 98-2004 S10 Blazers and 2000-2003 Silverados. While installation might require slight modifications, such as extending the purge hose, the benefits are clear. Users report smoother engine performance and a quick, effective solution to an emission control issue. Click the link in the description to purchase this ACDelco Vapor Canister Purge Valve and restore your engine's performance today. Don't forget to subscribe for more product recommendations.